Hey, have you heard about those strange sounds? I've been watching YouTube videos, and they got this sound that's happening all over the world, and it sounds like magic robot alien moaning. It's trippy, man.
This one time, I heard these really crazy sounds, but that was just Jimi Hendrix. First time's always a trip. Did you hear that? What the hell?
Dude, check this out.
Knock, man. Password. Password.
Password. Cereal, Nightwood, Moon Crash, Space Cat?
Those aren't even real words. Try this. The owl flies highest, while the elk hooves dance on the tips of the tiny little trout's fingers.
Should we go in?
No. Hello? You look like a director right now.
Yeah, I was going. That's what I was going for.
It's like the Sixth Sense. What if you and I are ghosts right now?
You know where your clothes come from, or from whom? Do you know where your food comes from?
Password. Aliens, reptiles, Barack Obama, Macho Man, Brandy Savage, Jesus, Space Cat?
The owl takes flight at midnight when the elk hooves dance, whistle, dance, fly, dance on the salmon fingers, tips over the horizons.
We should do that.
That is so the password.